Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You open YouTube and go straight to home. You must be signed into the account that shows shorts. Find a short, then tap the three-dot menu or long press the thumbnail. This is your first control. Once done, choose Not Interested or Don't Recommend channel to remove that short and teach YouTube about your preference. This starts the signal loop that reduces similar content. Make sure to act on multiple shorts so the algorithm learns your choices faster. Now you focus on reinforcing the change. Repeat Not Interested on several shorts from different creators, because one action is weak but many create a pattern. If a channel keeps producing shorts, use Don't Recommend channel so the system drops that source faster. Once done, check watch history and remove any short views. Make sure to pause history if you test alternatives. These steps reshape recommendations over days rather than instantly, so be consistent and patient. To finalize, clear or pause watch history to prevent past short watch data from returning shorts to home. You can also reset recommendations if the option is available. Once done, consider browser extensions or built-in YouTube settings that hide the shorts shelf on web or mobile to remove the visual element. If shorts persist, sign out and back in, update the app, or test another account. This often reveals whether the issue is account-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.